Today we're looking at common conditions in houses, and I'm in a kitchen with a air admittance valve under a kitchen sink. So we'll take a look at that. I gotta get down. And so that is the air admittance valve for the drain of this kitchen sink. And the reason that is there is because this drain is not close enough to the vent stack that goes up through the roof. It needs to be within 5 feet, or you will need an air admittance valve, which is great that they have them. However, we recommend replacing them about every 7 years to be sure that the air admittance valve is working. And to do that, they simply unscrew, and you can buy a new one off the shelf at most hardware stores or plumbing supply houses, and just screw the new one in. And it's as simple as that, but we recommend doing that to make sure that you don't have harmful sewer gases bleeding out up into the house. Thank you for watching.